If you want to delete all events on Google Calendar quickly, the easiest way is to remove the calendar itself or clear its contents from the calendar settings. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest method step by step so you can clean up your calendar without deleting events one by one. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer using a web browser. This works best on a desktop or laptop because the full calendar settings are easier to access there. Once Google Calendar opens, take a look at the left side of the screen. You should see a section called My Calendars, and under that, you'll find the calendar you want to delete all events from. Now hover your mouse over the calendar name. When you do that, you should see a 3 dots options menu appear next to it. Click those 3 dots to open the calendar options. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the full settings page for that specific calendar. On the settings page, scroll all the way down. You want to go to the bottom of the page where you'll find the Remove Calendar section. This is the area where Google gives you the option to either clear the calendar contents or remove the calendar completely. If your goal is to delete all events, click Delete. Depending on the type of calendar, this may clear everything inside it or remove the calendar entirely. Google may ask you to confirm your choice, so read the prompt carefully before proceeding. Once you confirm, all events on that calendar will be removed. This is a very useful method if you have an old calendar full of outdated events, a project calendar you no longer need, or just want to start fresh. It's much faster than deleting each event manually, especially if there are lots of entries on the calendar. One important thing to remember is that if this is a primary calendar connected to your Google account, you may not always be able to fully delete it. In that case, Google may only let you clear events or hide the calendar instead. So before you click delete, make sure you're working on the correct calendar. If you're cleaning up multiple calendars, repeat the same process for each one you want to remove. Just go back to My Calendars, open the 3 dots menu, select Settings and Sharing, then scroll down to Remove Calendar and choose Delete. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete all events on Google Calendar using the calendar settings. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.